Cioè non l'ho ripreso poi. Si è toccato. Oh, veramente è successo? Guarda un po'.
È successo!
Senti l'odore di benzina?
E che faccio? Non faccio niente.
Niente, dici.
Dietro la linea! Martina, via! Dietro! Ehi! Dietro!
E quello giù?
E quello laggiù?
And he's getting close. Sorry, Josh, he's coming in close. Yes. He's about to touch down right now. Oh, look at the sparks. It's down. They're down. Right now we're not hearing anything, but you should see emergency crews pulling up to the plane any time now. But that was a really good landing for not having landing gear, for him to be able to keep the plane controlled and make it off to the runway and keep the plane upright was a great job on the landing. Here come the emergency vehicles. Here they come out of the plane. No, these are the passengers. There's 4 people that have come out, shaking hands, taking pictures. Oh, especially because they knew what was happening. They knew they had landing gear problems. They knew they had to circle. They knew it was going to be a rough landing, and they were able to land it, and it was a very good landing.
Front landing gear failed to come down. In a delicate maneuver, the pilot gunned the jet's engines to keep the nose off the ground until the last moment. The plane finally came to a halt, all 56 people on board escaping with nothing more than frayed nerves.
Si è toccato. 우와! 벌써. 파이로부터降りようとしてる。大丈夫かな。